then the aspiration of the people of Karbi Anglong, sir, it is not only my generation. Right from the beginning, sir, that is 244A, which is long-standing demand of the people of Karbi Anglong. There is no one, sir. Today I am very lucky. Last time you are supposed to come here, sir, in 2021, but because of the weather, you couldn't land. That is the reason, sir. 244A is the gift of the Gandhi family, and under your leadership, sir, we have a high expectation. And one point, sir, when Priyanka ji came for screening committee as a chairperson, I highlighted one point, sir. Just to tell Gaurav Gogoi ji, when Congress come back to power, all the power that is withdrawn by Himanta Biswa Sarma should be respected and be restored to the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council and to the 6th schedule. So, sir, we are very proud of you, sir, and this is the movement that will be remembering forever, sir. Thank you, sir. And this
memorandum submit korilu Rahul Gandhi Dangoria amak a Article 244A autonomous state 1969 or pra etilage implement kora nai to implement koribo lage. I have given memorandum to our honorable Rahul Gandhi LOP requesting him to take action on with the power invested on him for implementing Article 244A. It has been there. We have been waiting for it for the last 50 or more than 50 years. We hope that with the coming of the alliance partner in the government, we shall be able to implement this Article 244A. With these few words, I thank you. Moi apunaloko hokolike dhonobad di mur kothakini imanate marilu dhonobad.
244A को हम इंप्लीमेंट करेंगे. थैंक यू. और ए आपको पावर देता है, आपको स्ट्रेंथ देता है, आपको निर्णय लेने की अपॉर्चुनिटी देता है. मगर मैं आपसे सवाल पूछना चाहता हूं, 244A लाया कौन? 244A हम लाए क्योंकि हम जानते हैं कि आपको लोकली आपके निर्णय लेने हैं. सही बात है. आपको ना गुवाहाटी से चलाया जाए, ना दिल्ली से चलाया जाए, आपको यहीं से चलाया जाए. आपके नेता, आपके जो काउंसिल्स हैं, वही आपको चलाए. ये होगा, लिख के ले लो. आप सब यहां आए, दूर दूर से आए, इतने प्यार से आपने मेरी बात सुनी. इसके लिए आप सबको दिल से बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. नमस्कार. और घबराइए मत, हम आपके इंटरेस्ट को प्रोटेक्ट करेंगे. 244A को हम इंप्लीमेंट करेंगे. थैंक यू.